most violent attack! Slideshow!
Maybe it's gonna eat us all. Well, I'm not gonna wait around to get digested. I'm telling Officer Hyena. Come on, Chief.
Hyena, what happened to yours? No!
Arrival clearance code approved.
They're letting us land. Councilwoman!
Moment to try and control it!
Hello, Hamsterville. It is pronounced Hamsterville. Dr. Jacques von Hamsterville, King Papa ruler of the galaxy. I'd get down and gloat on your faces, but I can't get off this chair. Nice game.
We're too late.
Indeed. I have taken over the Galactic Alliance using my army of clones named Leroy.
Leroy?
What's wrong with Leroy?
Nothing. I like it.
See?
You can't run the galaxy. That's the Grand Councilwoman's job.
She has been demoted.
Dr. Hamsterville's office. I'm sorry, he's in a meeting.
It'll never work. Stitch will stop you.
Stitch. Oh, you mean that weakling 6-6? The one I sent tumbling to his doom in a black hole? Is that the Stitch to which you are referring to?
Black hole?
Oh, don't worry. He's got plenty of company. That idiot scientist and one-eyed noodly thing.
Jump on Weekly?
What is it?
Incoming call, sir. From a Mr. Leroy.
Put him through. Put him through. What is the progress?
Cercate questa. Puntata nel film.
Normal.
All explorers. Capture.
Excellent. It has taken Leroy a paltry few hours to succeed, while you took 3 years to fail. What is wrong with you?
Will I have a bad knee?
No!
Oh, brother, no, cross it!
Now will you get me down from this chair?
Was that a rhetorical question?
No!
Oh, told the cruise!
What should I do with the girl at 625?
Take them to the prison block.
Yes, sir.
Mission accomplished tonight!
What?
You heard me. You are fired. Now that I have Leroy, you are no longer needed.
But what about my future? How am I supposed to pay the bills?
Well, why not write your memoir? Diary of an incompetent fish-headed minion. The idiot years. Sure, my galactic dominance. I am now off the Earth to eliminate those pesky experiments.
My years of devotion and hard work, and this is how I'm rewarded?
You are right, big guy. That gerbil treats you like a pile of blitzstick. See, his problem is he's got no aloha spirit. But that'll come back and bite him in the tail someday. Because you know, the aloha spirit you give always comes back to you. At least that's what Lilo says. Though it looks like her spirit's kind of broken.
Quiet in control.
You know, turns out I'm pretty strong. I could maybe open this. Whoa! I am strong!
You didn't open the cell. I did. I'm breaking you two out of here. Aloha.
Oh, students!
I'm serious.
The name is Reuben.
Once we're through this airlock, it's clear sailing to the spaceport.
I'm the one there, stand hard!
Hey, this looks like Cleveland's one. Light out.
So is empty. That means Papa!
How did you get here?
Patty's friend! Scrooge teacher! Are you there? Culture!
No time explaining.
This is the wall at the desktop!
Well, how will we all fit?
I could ride in the back and back.
And Toby. John, sister, are you there? It's over! Fans!
I heard hamster
She boggle stat! Are you? Hurry the bus! Mom!
We're just having a nightmare.
Yeah, what? So, that the trash can.
Chippy Chiva!
Jesse's sticky key. Marcy's brand. Keanu's kitchen, are you there?
Hey, I know it's not all cupcakes and rainbows.
Kobe's Walt Disney. Spooky's teacher, are you there? Brian's Drew. Dinosaur's tar.
Oh, you ridiculous 600!
Actually, 624, because you subtract Stan's and...
Not happening.
Not happening.
Arnie the Bat, please! Knuckle Lucas Push.
Aloha! As in,
We're almost there! Try! Do you dare try? Queen, Kleins, friend.
You escaped my imprisoning. Scampty turned from bad to good. Hey, where is Scampty?
He's still in back at the night. Thanks.
What? He's on the Aloha team now.
You never did understand the meaning of aloha, did you?
Well, I think it means...
That was a rhetorical question.
Well, you aren't the only one with a team, you know.
Just do the down! Army the down! Army never giving you the right! Leroy and Stitch versus Dawes Cruise! Alright, wait. Ready, have to begin. Leroy and Stitch versus Dawes Cruise! Ready, begin!
Nice one, cousin. You can talk?
There's too many of them.
Oopsie. Uh-oh. Oops. Oh, shit.
Captain, just Stitch. Am I to understand that you wish to resign your commission?
Yes, please. Stitch has found one place he truly belongs. On Earth. With Lilo.
That being the case, Mr. Ganton, would you be interested in resuming your position as captain of the Galactic Armada?
Would I? I mean, yes, Your Eminence. On one condition.
Condition?
I'd like to request experiment 625, I mean, Reuben, as my galley officer.
No kidding?
I've grown rather fond of your egg salad.
Granted. And finally, John and Pete.
And wasn't gonna change with you.
You would? But what about your lab? Jumbly is finally understanding. Ohana is more important